Right. So we're now approaching Charlotte International Airport here in North Carolina. We'll be landing momentarily. We're about 10-15 minutes away from the airport. Beautiful weather today.
And the seatbelt sign is limited. Please return to your seats, fasten your seatbelts for the duration of the flight. To prepare the cabin for landing, please close your tray table, seat back. Must be up and stowed as well, and all electronic devices placed in airplane mode secured in your hand or seatbelt pocket. Anything over 2 pounds stored up and stowed. Flight attendants are required to collect all cabin service items issued during our beverage service. Here at the window exit row, make sure the window shade is open for landing and disconnect any power cords for landing so they're not blocking the exit. Again, seatbelts securely fasten seatback service trays to the up and stow position, please.